Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RSYS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then it just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious or rub salt in one's wounds, but the bears have just been absolutely hammering this one down. Although now going into tomorrow, a pretty interesting chart setup because the price has at least started to seemingly go sideways. Now, maybe you're saying, geez, Clay, you're saying that just going sideways is a bullish and makes it interesting? That's setting the bar kind of low. Well, I mean, let's keep things in a context. What was going on up until basically the afternoon of today? I mean, it was just essentially pure bloodshed. Down, 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 down it went. Now the price is starting to go sideways. Now, don't get me wrong, and I wish trading was this easy, but it's not. Just because the price is now going sideways after getting beat up, I'm not sitting here saying so. Therefore, it is guaranteed to bounce up to 90 cents tomorrow. No such thing as a guarantee in the market. Now, would be some sort of bounce be shocking? No, it wouldn't be shocking, but myself nor anyone else can sit around and say, oh yeah, it's guaranteed to bounce. So, but could it bounce? Yeah, it's at least logical at this point in time. Case in point, when the price was, let's say right there, or right there, or right there, when it was just falling, at no point in time was it logical to say, I wonder if the price is bottoming out. Why would you think that when the price, just kept getting hammered and hammered? At least now with it going sideways, it becomes a logical question to ask. Does anybody know? No, nobody knows, but it's at least logical at this point in time. And the other thing that I like with it in regards to just going sideways and then the, hammer candle that you got during the final 30 minutes is that this all occurred on good size volume. Again, is this a guaranteed bottom? No such thing as a guarantee, but would not be shocked at all to see it bounce. Now, the key level of support going into tomorrow is 65 cents right there. That's where the bleeding stopped on a couple different occasions. In the event it does bounce, let's talk about a couple potential areas of resistance. First area of resistance, if any sort of worthwhile bounce is going to get started, right up there at 70 cents. If 70 cents can fall, then the next overall level, I'm not saying it'll shoot straight up here, but next kind of overall key level up at the 80-cent mark. So I guess that makes it easy. 70 cents, 80 cents, two initial hurdles. If any sort of, like I said, bounce is going to get underway. But again, very, very interesting setup. These are the types that you should not try to trade if you're not good at honoring stop losses or you're undisciplined or things like that. But yeah, if you are, then yeah, this could be a nice little risk versus reward play. So we'll see what happens with it. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.